Hey everyone, I apologise if I'm a little bit mumbled due to my really bad toothache. However, the show must go on. So I'm here because I've just received an amazing box from Avon and I'm here to share the goodies with you. So instead of my post, because I keep teasing you with the post but not showing you the product. But so, instead of my post this week, you're going to get a post on each product that I've bought. So, I'm going to show you the bits that I've bought, and then we'll go through them during the week. So I'm going to start off with the fact that I've bought myself some new pyjamas, and I cannot wait to try these on. So, I'm guessing this is going to be my first post, so I get to see how these fit. As I've been telling you, I have purchased myself also the new moisturiser, which is being advertised on TV at the moment. And for your chance for a free sample, DM me, like this post, share, and of course follow me, please guys. And I will send you a free sample to the first 5 people to get back to me. Will receive a free sample of Avon's new powder cream. I have tried it. I'm really impressed with it. So I'm going to give it a proper try with the actual full tub. I've also decided to buy myself, I think it's a Flawless Cream Powder Foundation. I've always been interested in something like that. So I thought, why not give it a go? I'm just going to show you there. Hey! So, and obviously it comes with its nice little sponge, which is very handy. I bought myself some bronzing minerals. I do actually like a bit of bronzer. Just it actually helps highlight my already sort of mixed race skin, as you should say. Just gives you a little bit more in the face. Oh, and this comes with its own little sponge as well, which is great. Can't wait to give that a try. I have no idea what I'm doing. All I know is what it's supposed to do. How it looks on me when I try it will be another thing. And finally, guys, something that I can actually, put this down. I can actually use myself. I've treated myself to a new lipstick. I've gone for a mocha, which is a sort of brownish colour. There we are. Those guys are my little treats for myself. Also, because I really wanted to show you the products from Avon, I've been honestly going on, and I keep sending a post out each morning about Avon, but actually I need to show you the product really, don't I? So guys, we are going to start with the pyjamas. I'll let you know how they feel, I'll let you know how they fit, and you guys can tell me if they look alright or just no. So I'll be back, guys, later on. As I said, we've got a week's worth of gear to get through, and I hope you like it as much as I'm going to like it. So I'll see you in a bit.